Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. These questions come from Dr. Awala. What is the best mood and preferable setting for bronchopulmonary dysplasia or BPD patients? First of all, what is the mood? Pressure control or volume control? I will choose volume control. Why you choose volume control? Because volume is controlled to avoid volume trauma. Shall we use the synchronized or non-synchronized ventilation? We'll choose synchronized ventilation. Why we need synchronized ventilation? Because actually there is harmony between the positive airway pressure, it's come from the ventilation, and the spontaneous inspiration, it's come from the baby. There is harmony between the positive pressure or positive airway pressure and spontaneous inspirations from the baby. If synchronous ventilation is provided, adequate gas exchange should be achieved at lower peak airway pressure. So if this synchronization, so the gas exchange, it will achieved with lower peak airway pressure, and this is our aim. Lower peak airway pressure, lower pressure, so we'll avoid the barotrauma. So initially we need pressure, we need volume control to control the volume, so we'll avoid volutrauma. And also, if there is synchronized mechanical ventilation and synchronizations between the mechanical ventilation and the spontaneous breathing, so it will give low peak airway pressure, low pressure, so to avoid the barotrauma, and will achieve gas exchange. So during synchronized mechanical ventilation, positive airway pressure and spontaneous inspiration coincide or harmony or synchronous. If synchronous ventilation is provided, adequate gas exchange should be actually achieved at lower peak airway pressure, potentially it will reduce what? Reduce barotrauma, volutrauma, air leak, and even the bronchopulmonary dysplasia. So volume control, we need to control the volume, and synchronizations actually to harmony between the ventilation and the baby, and also it will achieve lowest peak airway pressure to avoid the harm from the ventilation or ventilation associated lung injury and barotrauma and air leak. Synchronization or synchronous ventilation can potentially be achieved by manipulation of the rate and the inspiratory time during conventional mechanical ventilation and patient trigger ventilation. This synchronization manipulated by the rate and the inspiratory time. There is relations between the rate and inspiratory time. We'll see here. First of all, this is a mechanical ventilation. We need a small tidal volume is preferable. Why? We need a small tidal volume to avoid volutrauma. But what about the beep? Actually, the beep, we need the moderate beep. What is the meaning of moderate beep? 4 to 5 centimeter water. But what about 5 to 7? This one, actually, if there is atelectatic changes, or there is pulmonary edema, you can increase the beep a little bit. But the preferable beep, it will be moderate beep, 4 to 5 centimeter water, unless you have atelectasis or you have pulmonary edema, you have to increase little bit. And also slightly prolonged inspiratory time durations. Sometimes why we need this one? To require for uniform lung inflation. So we need prolonged inspiratory time. How much? It will be 0.4 to 0.5 second. Why we need long or prolonged inspiratory time? For uniform the lung inflammation. As we know, the lung of the bronchopulmonary dysplasia, it's 4 stages. The stage 1, it will be small volume, this like the RDS. Then it will be area of atelectasis and hyperinflation. It will end with hyperinflation. So we need prolonged inspiratory time to uniform the lung inflation, because the lung area of atelectasis or of hyperinflation, area of atelectasis, area of hyperinflations, and even there is alveolar and interstitial edema. So we need prolonged inspiratory time for uniform the lung inflation to avoid these atelectatic areas and hyperinflated areas. And we need also to monitoring the oxygenation and ventilation. We need pulse oximeter to monitor the oxygenation, and we need the blood gases to monitor the PCO2. And also, if there is prolonged ventilation, may require tracheostomy. So this is the setting we need it in the bronchopulmonary dysplasia. Slow rate. What is slow rate? 20 to 40 per minute. This is the slow rate. Why slow rate? As we know, in RDS patient we need high rate 60, and the expiratory time it will be 0.3 to 0.33 small. واحد بيجري زي الحصان هيقطع المسافة في وقت قصير. He will run actually is higher rate will take short time. It will take it in short time. So in RDS, high rate will be 60, and the inspiratory time it will be short 0.3. In bronchopulmonary dysplasia, actually it will be a slow rate, it will be between 20 to 40, and prolonged inspiratory time. واحد ماشي زي الزحلفة هيقطع المسافة في وقت طويل. فبالتالي we need small or slow rate, and the inspiratory time it will be prolonged 0.4 to 0.5. Sometimes if you need it more, if there is atelectasis, if the saturations, you can reach it to 0.6 or 0.7, but this is the ideal 0.4 to 0.5. This is the inspiratory time. So there is relations between the respiratory rate and inspiratory time, and the synchrony it's come from this one, the manipulation of the respiratory rate and the inspiratory time. This is the synchrony. It will come from this area. If you have small or slow rate, for sure the inspiratory time it will be prolonged. In RDS, the rate we need 60, we'll put 60, it will be you need short time. حصان بيجري هيقطع المسافة في وقت قصير. زحلفة بتمشي هتقطع المسافة في وقت طويل. البرونكوبلمونري ديسبليزيا عن الزحلفة محتاج small or slow rate و long inspiratory time. RDS عامل زي الحصان بيجري هيقطع المسافة قصيرة، فبالتالي high rate with short inspiratory time. So in bronchopulmonary dysplasia we need slow rate between 20 to 40 breath per minute, and we need inspiratory time it will be prolonged inspiratory time. If you see prolonged inspiratory time here 0.4 to 0.5, and also we need lowest pressure BIB required between 10 to 20 centimeter water. If you are actually choose between 20 and 18, choose 18. 18 to 16, choose 16. 16 to 14, choose what? Choose actually choose 14. 14 to 12, choose 12. Not like the RDS. If you are choosing initially 12 to 14, choose 14 initially, unless you will give the surfactant, then you can reduce the pressure. So we need slow rate and prolonged inspiratory time, lowest pressure to avoid the barotrauma, and moderate beep. And moderate beep 4 to 5 centimeter water, unless there is atelectasis or interstitial edema. But what about the blood gas? This is the acceptable blood gas. Our blood gas, we accept the pH, it will be between 7.25 to 7.30, and CO2 we need permissive hypercapnia. Permissive hypercapnia, it will be actually 55, can reach it to 70. Since we have the pH above 7.25, some people who said, or some reference who said, who are not care about the number of the CO2, but here you can 55, somebody some reference reach it to 65, even 70 if the pH 7.25, and BO2 we need 50 to 70 millimeter mercury. At the end, I would like to pray for my colleague going for Saudi board and Arab board and Jordanian board and Unitary Fellowship. ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا. شكرا، سلام عليكم.